Hello everyone, so happy Black Saturday everyone. So we're here from this analyze of these games here in FIDE Women's Grand Prix 2025. So it means day 2 from this one in this round robin. So it means these are the long game within 1 hour and 30 minutes from this chess clock from this one. So it means round 2. So it means in today's day 2 and also happy queen from this international master in Mongolia is Bakuyang Mongoltul versus Grandmaster in China Zhu Zhener from this one. So in today's day 2 here in the study of these videos here we have analyzed here of these chess games in this FIDE Women's is day 2. So white plays Bakuyang is e4 c5 Zhu Sicilian defense from this one, and also knight f3 d6. So it means without movement here. So these are the main line here is also, so it means knight c6 and bishop to b5 is also removed from this one. So it means d6 by Zhu. So it means Zhu from this one. So it means these are the C or Z or maybe Zhu. So it means D6 here. So it means D6 by Zhu. And also D4 captured knight takes D4. It's called Sicilian defense opening variations from this one. And also knight C6. So it means without move by Zhu. So it means threatening by pawns E4. So it means without the doubts here from this one, and also knight c3 here, and also a6. So it means these are, so it means no more by bishop to b5 and knight b5. So these are the stopping by with avoided here, and also bishop to d3 and also a5. So it means these are a5 here with a threatening by knights here, and also knight de2. So it means is no more found in this booklet by Bakuyag. So it means novelty. So these are the old main line here is gold novelty is knight to b3. So it means knight to b3 here without develops here. So it means without move here from this one. So so it means novelty is knight de2 from this Bakuyag, and also bishop to e7 by Zhu. So it without coming by castling by Zhu from this one, and also castle, and also knight gt without move by Bakuyag with a forward by knight to f5. So it means without between by the bells here from this one, and also bishop to g4 with a neutralize here threatening by queens without targets here, and also f3 threatening bishop to e6 and knight d5. So it means these are knight d5 by Bakuyag without threatening by bishop here. So it means without knights, without targets, without captured by knights here from this one, and also Zhu capture this knight, and also pawn takes d5. So it means pawn takes d5 and also capture this bishop. So first puzzle, so it means, so what do you think the captured by sacrifice brilliant by I am Batfuya? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Boom! Bishop takes h7 check with a sacrifice brilliant by Batkuya. And king takes bishop and queen takes bishop. So for example, why don't we queen d4 check? Queen d3 check, sorry. So it means queen d3 check here from this one. So it means queen d3 check. And also king to g8. So it means capture this queen takes bishop. So it means these are examples here from this one. So bishop takes bishop. I mean queen takes bishop. Sorry. So it means, I'm sorry, forgot my brains. So it means queen takes bishop here, and also knight c6 by Zhu. So these are the move by knight b4 or threatening by queen. The targets here from this one. And also bishop to e3 and also g6 c3. So these are the movement here, and also queen a5 without queen to queens, and rook a d1 without defense here, and also f5. So why don't we, so repeat, so why don't we queen takes capture and also knight takes queen. So these are the examples here from this one. So so it means rook a d1, f5, and bishop to f2. So these are the bishop to f2 without move backwards by Bat-Kuyag. And Zhu accepted queen takes captured, rook takes, and b5 by Zhu. So it means Zhu found this move by b5, and also rook f d1 without battery, and also rook f c8, and also knight f1 without move here. So without forward by knight e3. So knight e3 without develops here from this one. And also knight a5 and b3, knight b7 go back, and rook 5 d3. So it's without go backs here. And bishop to f8, knight e3. So it means without move forward here. The simple is that is without continue knight to d5 without movement by Bat-Kuyag here. And also knight c5 by Zhu, threatening by rook. So there are threatening by rooks here from this one. And also rook 3 d2, knight e6 here, and also knight e5, rook c6 without, or maybe without battery, without upcoming batteries here from this one. And also rook d3, king g7, knight b4 by Bat-Kuyag with threatening by rook by Zhu. So without targets here, and rook cc8, knight d5, and rook ab8 without 8 rank by Zhu, and also h4, a5 without move by Zhu, without move by here by b4 or a4 without double pass pawns here. And also g3, so it means g3 here, so it means without move by here by f4, without move here controls here. And also rook c6 without, or ending with a move here by rook b6 without 6 rank by Zhu from this one. And also rook e1, king f7, rook 8 d1 go back, knight c7, and also knight e3. So it means why don't we knight takes capture, and also rook takes knight. So without doubles by rooks here, without controls by determinations from this one. So knight e3 here, king e6, and also bishop e1, bishop h6 without threatening by knights here, without controls or develops here, and also knight d5, and also knight takes captured, rook takes captured, and also bishop e3 check, and also bishop f2 without defense, without captured, and rook bb6 without its code 6 rank by Zhu. So it means without 6 rank here, and also rook 1 d3 without battery, and a4, king e3, captured, and also rook c7, king e2, and rook a7 without upcoming by check by a2. So it means rook a2 without check, without develops here from this one. And also c4, so it means c4 is both bad move by Bat-Kuyag. So it means doesn't want computer engine, so it means bad move. So the best moves there is b4. So b4 here are best moves here from this one. So it means b4. So back there is c4 here, and also captured, and rook c6. So it means bad move by Zhu. So the one's computer is rook a2 check. So it means rook a2, so it means move by king e3. Without move by here by rook g2, without threatening by pawns, without controls, without pass pawns here from this one. So it means, so back there is rook c6, so it means rook c6 here without develops here from this one, so it means rook c6 here. So rook c6 by Zhu, and also c5, so it means another bad move by Bat-Kuyag. So the one's computer is, one is rook to c3 without defense. If you check, rook a2 check, and also king d2. Wait for a moment, so it means rook a2 check, and rook d2. Rook d2 here, so it means if you capture this one, so captured, and king takes rook. These are examples here from this one. So c5 by Bat-Kuyag, and also captured, and rook d2 without move by a2, without stopping, without defense by rooks, or maybe without controls developments here from this one. And also rook a4, rook d8, good move by Bat-Kuyag, and rook d4, and h5 with a sacrifice, so it means another bad move again by Bat-Kuyag. So the best moves there is rook e8 check, so it means if you move by king d5, so it means if you capture this one, and king takes d4. So these are examples here. So back there is h5, and also captured, and rook h8 without targets by pawns, without pass pawns here, and also king d5, so it means another bad move by Zhu from this one, so it means another bad move. So another bad move by computer, question mark. So the best moves there is f4. So f4 without move, so it means strongest move here if you capture this. So for example, if you capture this, pawn takes f4 and rook takes f4, and the decided is rook takes h5. So these are good examples here from this one. So back there is king d5, and rook takes captured, so it means bad move by captured, and also good move rook g6, good move by Zhu, and also rook takes captured, and decided accepting rook takes captured, king takes rook, and also rook f8 without move by check, or maybe without move by check here from this one, and also rook g2 check, good move by Zhu, so without controls here, and also king f1 with a threat by rook a2 with a threat by a1 with a check, so without, so it means rook a1, or maybe check here from this one, so it means check here, and also f4 without threatening pawns, push e4, f5, and king e3, f6 without push, king f3, king g1, and rook g2 check, and also king f1, and rook b2, so it means without threatening by mating net, or threatening by mating nets by, oh, these are the mouse cannot move, so it means rook b2 with a threatening by mating nets by here by kings with Bat-Kuyags, because these are the behinds the kings here from this one, so it means without threatening mating net, so mating nets here from this one, and also king e1, rook b1 check, and king d2, e3 check, and king c2 threat by rooks, rook b6, and also f7, rook b7, and also king d3, rook d7 check, and king c4, and also the last shot, this one with a without upcoming promotes queen, and without pushes here, and also e2. So e2 by Zhu, upcoming by promotes queen, so it means resigned by international master Bat-Kuyag. So why she resigns? Because if you move by king takes captured, only move, and also e1 queen. So e1 e1 queen from this one. If you move by king c6 here without threatening by rooks here, and also here by rook d6 check. So it means these are the checks here. If you move by king c5 and also king e7 check with a check, so it means drop by rook. So drop by rooks here. So it means resigns by white pieces by Patpuyag. So it means the score from white pieces by Patpuyag 89.7 accuracy, and the black pieces score by Zhugener is 93.8. So the winner from this day 2, Grandmaster Zhugener. So it means congratulations from this one. I so it means I will choose from this one. So I will analyze day 4 by International Master Nongmil Salimova and versus Grandmaster Zhugener from this one. So I hope on this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Marco Wagi 17, aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep update of these next chess updates. So happy Black Saturday and bye bye.